Hello everyone, a very happy new year to you. I am currently filming this on the 3rd of January and I'm going to be filming a Christmas gift haul. I know that this video is a little bit late. Normally you would film this kind of video between Christmas and New Year, but I did want to give myself a little bit of a break from filming because it was a little bit non-stop right up until like the 22nd I think for me, and I thought I'd ease myself back into things again by doing a little bit of a Christmas gift haul of gifts that were bought for me by my family. And I did post on Christmas Eve a haul of gifts that I was giving for my family, so if you want to watch that video I will link that up here somewhere for you guys. And that was a haul of gifts that I was giving and also like a fun wrapping video as well. I actually really enjoyed editing that video, so I highly recommend for you to check it out. Might be a little bit too festive for going into the new year now, but it's still a fun watch. I'm so grateful for all the gifts that I got from my family this year. I got some really lovely gifts and I'm so happy with all of them and I can't wait to share them with you all. So let's get right into the video. And the first Christmas gift that I'm going to be showing you is something I'm actually already wearing, and it's this shirt. So this is the t-shirt that I got and I think it's from AliExpress. It's this Louis Tomlinson graphic print t-shirt. I absolutely love the colour of this. Like I love how it's pink and white, like it's a bit different. I think that's what I like about it, is that it's unique. And considering that I'm a plus size fashion content creator who does like cute outfit ideas, most of the time I am literally just dressed like this, like in my leggings and in like a shirt like this, like an oversized t-shirt, and that's just like my comfort wear. I wear this like 90% of the time, and then maybe like 10% of my time I'm in like the cutesy kawaii outfits. So that's a little something about me that you probably didn't know. Okay, I'm back in the seat now and the lighting's in and out. I absolutely hate this. I hate that it does this with the lighting. It's going to be all over the place when I edit this. Okay, so I thought we'd stay on theme with the Louis Tomlinson gifts, and this is another gift that I got, which was this like canvas poster. I haven't actually figured out where I want to put this yet. I think I might put it next to my signed Louis Tomlinson picture over there, because there's a huge space there on my wall. I don't know if you can see that, like here, and it's a little bit crinkled because it's been in the Santa sack that I've been keeping all of my gifts in for this video, but yeah, it will straighten out in the end. But I absolutely love this. I love the fact that it's black and white and that you can see his little, can you see that, his little 28 tattoo as well. Yeah, I absolutely love this. I love getting a poster every Christmas or every birthday. I feel like I'm running out of space though. I'm running out of space for all like my posters and stuff. But so cool. I love getting Louis Tomlinson and One Direction related gifts. We are staying on topic with Louis Tomlinson and One Direction. I got these phone cases. I have one on my phone already and this is of Louis Tomlinson, and then I have another phone case with Louis on it too. And I just realised there's a gift that I totally forgot about and it's not here with me right now, but my mum did get me some stickers with One Direction on them to go on my laptop, because I got a laptop back in November now for my work. So she got me like a sticker pack of One Direction stickers and my laptop is covered in them. Totally forgot about that, but that was one of my favourite gifts as well, because I did ask my mum to get them for me because I was just so fed up of looking at my blank laptop, like my boring blank grey laptop. I just had to personalise it somehow. And I've always been such a huge One Direction fan since I was like 10 years old. Absolutely love them, absolutely love Louis. I've loved Louis since I was like 10 as well, so I'm always so happy to receive gifts related to them. Okay, moving on to another gift, and this was from my dad, and it's like a retro gaming system. I think you would call it like a retro gaming system, and it's called a MIYOO Mini Plus, and basically you can download Nintendo games onto it, or like PS1 games, and I love handheld gaming systems like this. I love my Nintendo Switch, play Animal Crossing on it all the time, and I think you can actually get like the old Animal Crossings to put on this. You have to download all the games yourself, but there's already a lot of these games on here already because my brother downloaded a lot for me before Christmas, and it was such a surprise gift because I would never have thought of getting myself one of these, and I wasn't sure if I'd like use it a lot, but I have been absolutely obsessed with playing a game called Silent Hill on here on PS1, and yeah, it's been so fun. I'm not usually into horror games. I like watching other people play horror games like on streams and stuff, but I've never tried it myself, but I've actually been really enjoying it. So I've been playing Silent Hill on here. There's like Crash Bandicoot, the old Spider-Man that's on PS1, and I think I've got Nintendogs on here as well, which is kind of cool, and some old cat game that I liked on my original DS too. And it's got this cute little case to keep it in as well, which I totally forgot about up until today, and you can just zip it up, and it's a good like little travel gaming system as well, and you can just get it out whenever. And then of course this wouldn't be an Abby gift haul if there wasn't some Lush products included in it. So my brother always gets me Lush bath bombs for my birthday or for Christmas, and I feel like this is probably one of my favorite Lush gifts that he's got me, because he got me the Snow Fairy gift set, and it looks really cool. Like, look at the outside of this. This is so cool, but wait until you see what it does. It makes music. I thought that was so cool. I sort of knew that I was already getting this. I'm just gonna wait until it's done. Oh. I already knew that I was going to get this, but I didn't know that it made music, so that was a really nice surprise. I love the patterns on it. I think it looks super cool. We've got some products inside. The Snow Fairy body spray, and this is the first body spray that I've ever tried from Lush, and it smells super good. If you don't know, Snow Fairy is like one of the most popular scents on Lush, and for good reason. It smells lovely. It smells like sweeties. And the Snow Fairy shower gel, which I have used as bubble bath. I've already used a lot of these products. I've used these two, and I've also used the body lotion as well, which is really lovely. It's like a bright pink shade, and it smooths into your skin so easily. This is like the holy trinity as well. Like, I put this in my bath, I put this on after the bath, and put this on after the bath, and I literally smell like a sweetie shop. It's so lovely. I absolutely love these as like a set together. And I do have some bath bombs and some bubble bars in here too, and I actually haven't used up all of my bath bombs and bubble bars that I got for my birthday, so I'm trying to use them all up first before I dip into the Snow Fairy ones. So we've got this big bubble bar, like this swirly bubble bar, and it's glittery as well, which I thought that was so cool. Smells lovely. And we have a bath bomb that's in the shape of an actual Snow Fairy, which I thought was so cute, and this is also glittery as well. And then the last thing that we've got in the tin is this classic bath bomb from Lush, and also smells of Snow Fairy, also glittery and very pink. I love the Snow Fairy scent, and I definitely am gonna go back for some of these because they smell divine. Okay, so on to the next gift, and it's this makeup palette. And I actually can't wear makeup at the minute, but my mum always likes to get me a piece of makeup, like a new palette, for Christmas, because she has always done that for me. And honestly, I'm glad, because I still do practice makeup. I like to practice makeup on my brother. I still feel in touch with makeup. I feel like I'll always be a makeup artist, even if I have complications with my own skin and like with sinusitis now. And absolutely love the colour of the packaging. It's also very shiny, as you can tell. And it's from a brand that I've never heard of before as well, called Natasha Denona. Don't know if any of you have heard of that before. And it's called the Love Face palette, and it's for eyes and cheeks. So it's all like blush, highlight and eyeshadow. One of the shades has cracked a little bit, like on the highlighter, but it's still intact. And just look at the beautiful shades here. Perfect for Valentine's Day, I feel like. But look how gorgeous this palette is. And then the cool thing about it as well is that it has like a little flap above the cream blush and the highlighter. Yeah, this is a cream blush, by the way. Like I said, perfect for Valentine's Day looks with the sparkles and the pinks, and this deep like purple shade here is beautiful. I absolutely love it. Okay, so we're on to one of my favorite parts of this haul, and I actually asked for these as well. Like, I asked for fluffy socks for Christmas this year, and I used to be a socks hater. Like, I used to hate wearing socks. I used to feel trapped wearing socks. But over the last couple of years, I've really enjoyed wearing them, especially fluffy socks. And they just make me feel so comfortable and cozy. And my mum granted me my Christmas wish of getting some more fluffy socks for Christmas. Because look, she got me all of these socks. Loads of socks. So I've got a pair here that I haven't actually worn yet, and I think I'm going to wear them today. And I think most of these are from George as well, like George clothing at Asda. And this first pair is navy blue socks with white polka dots, and they're just so fluffy and warm. And then I got some Christmas elf print socks, and I don't know about anybody else, but do you just wear Christmas themed things all year round? Because I have always done that. I feel like I would just keep these out and wear them all year round, and I just think the print looks super cute. And this next pair of socks I got from my brother. Again, these are like a thinner material, but they're nice and long and they're still nice and cozy. And yeah, my little brother got these because he has this running joke of calling me Ash Sheep instead of Abby. He thinks it's hilarious. So it was sort of like an inside joke gift, which I thought was really cute. And then these huge bed socks, and they're like fluffy on the inside. They've got like plush material on the inside, and I absolutely love like the colors on them as well. Like these are very kawaii sort of aesthetic socks. These are so comfy and cozy. I actually overheat in these and I have to take them off after like an hour or something, but these are going to be so good for the winter, especially now that it's getting like frosty in the mornings. You just need great big huge socks like these that are going to keep your feet nice and warm. Okay, moving on, we have got these plushies. We've got a Kuromi plush and we've got this My Melody plush that go together. So cute. I absolutely love them, and I've always wanted to get these sort of style plushies that are sort of like kawaii style. I keep seeing them online and I'm so happy that I got my hands on them now. I absolutely love that they've got their little sleep masks on the top, and they're so soft as well. I absolutely love how soft they are, and at the moment I don't have any room for them on my bed because of all the Christmas squishmallows, but as soon as they go back into storage I will put these on my bed, and they're gonna look so cute, and they're going to match my bedding as well, because I recently got some really cute bedding which will actually be featured in one of my Shein haul videos that will be coming up in the next week or so. So you'll get to see that then, and then you'll be able to see these two just sitting on my bed being all cutesy. And we are now on to the last gifts that I got, and they're also Sanrio related, and they're all Funko Pops. First Funko Pop actually arrived on Boxing Day. Like, I didn't open this on Christmas, but I was super excited to get this. It's a My Melody Funko Pop from the MIYOO collection, and I already have the Pom Pom Purin holding the macaron that I got from my birthday from the MIYOO collection, and all of these Funko Pops are from the MIYOO collection, so I think I've got nearly all of them. My Melody, she's holding a little ice cream of herself, and I think that's just so cute. I will be taking this out of the box, like I'll be taking all of them out the boxes. I don't like to keep them in the box because I feel like you don't get to see them properly. I'm not like one of those collectors that have to have them inside the box. I do keep the box, but I put them into storage. And this is my next Funko Pop, also from that MIYOO collection, and he's holding a little Cinnamoroll of himself. And Cinnamoroll is one of my favourite Sanrio characters because he's just so cute, and I love his colour scheme as well. I have done quite a few outfits inspired by Cinnamoroll before, if you've seen them on my YouTube shorts, and yeah, I absolutely adore this Funko Pop. And then my second favourite Sanrio character, we've got Kuromi, also from that MIYOO collection, and I think I've got all of them except for the Hello Kitty and the Pochacco one, and I absolutely love that it's the purple version of Kuromi. It matches my plush that I got. And Kuromi is also holding a little ice cream version of herself, and I absolutely adore this collection as well, like the dessert collections, like the MIYOO ones. I just love that they're holding like little dessert versions of themselves. That's just super cute. Yeah, I absolutely adore this one as well, and like I said, I love that it's the purple version of Kuromi. So that is everything that I got for Christmas. I'm super grateful for all the gifts that I got. I absolutely adore everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up because it really does help out my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in plus size fashion reviews and body positivity videos, then remember to subscribe to my channel because that is everything that I do here. Also, I think this is going to be one of my last videos with my Christmas decorations up. I still do need to take them down. It's the 3rd of January and I feel like everybody's starting to take their Christmas decorations down now. But I'm always a bit late to the game because I absolutely love the decorations. It's one of my favourite parts of Christmas. So I'm actually having a bit of a hard time parting with the Christmas decorations right now. But anyways, I'll try and get the links to everything that I showed you in today's video. I'll try and get them from my family members, so you know where you can get these for yourself if you want to treat yourself in the new year. I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel, especially in 2024. I appreciate you if you watch these videos. I put a lot of work into them. It takes up a lot of filming time, it takes up a lot of editing time, and it just means the world to me if you tune in. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!